Hello, today we are going to repeat the rules about the letter G. Remember, the letter G has a hard sound G if it is followed by vowels A, O, U and Akka. For example, Ga, Go, Gu, Ge, Gi. And the letter G has a soft sound J if it is followed by vowels E and E. J, J, Ja, Jo, Ju. Look at the pictures and try to guess these words. I'll help you. An ice cream. We have already seen. In Italian we say gelato. Gelato. Sunflower. Girasole. A newspaper. Giornale. And giullare, a jester. Giullare. These four words have a soft sound J. Now we are going to right column, and here we can find the words with a hard sound G. For example, gatto, cat, mago, magician, guanti, gloves, fungi, mushrooms. Here we see the words with a hard sound G. Gatto, mago, guanti, fungi. I hope you remember this rule. So, see you next lesson. Bye bye.